Hello and welcome to Solo Rider channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do usually mount my motorbike and unmount it. So you can see here this is the rear mount, and you just need to make sure that the size is aligned with where it will be loaded. So you can change this. I will show you later how to change it and align it completely. Now we just need to make sure that it is in the right position, that can touch and start lifting the area. It's a little bit hard to do it with one hand while taking the video, but yeah. Okay, so you need to make sure that on the left side it's very tight, because you know the motorbike at the moment is tilted a little bit to the left. So on the right it's okay to have some space there, because it will be, when you raise it, it will be going to the right. So that completely should be fine, as long as you already have adjusted the size. I will show you later how to adjust the size exactly. Yeah, now I can show you how I lift the bike. So you see now the rear mount is stand steady, but it's not yet lifting the bike. It just yeah. Now this way I just start lifting the bike, so it uses the left bar. So you have to be a little bit careful when you do this, because when you are lifting the bike, it will be a little bit from only the left side at the beginning, and then it will start loading on the right side. And unloading it or unmounting it is quite very easy. You do it on the other way. Usually I do it very slow, because once the tire touches the ground, the load goes completely to the left if the front wheel is pointing to the left, and this is very important. Make sure before you unmount that the kickstand is down and the front wheel is pointing to the left direction. Now I can show you how actually you can adjust exactly the size. So you can just unscrew this and then you adjust the size. And you can do this on both sides, right and left. I would say it makes sense that you keep the distance on the right and left similar. Yeah, and make sure it is as tight as possible when you, and yeah, on the left always keep it very close. On the right there should be some space, because the motorbike, when it is raised, it will go to the right. Kickstand down. Now I will show you another way how I mount the bike. If the bike is very heavy and I can't do it with just one hand, I use my body weight against the motorbike, and from the other side I hold the bike just not to fall on the other side, and then I use my right hand to adjust the mount. Once it's completely on the mount, then I can leave my hand, make sure that it is safe and secure, and yeah, that's it.